Tonight, we are learning more about some of the local caregivers heading to New York City. Our Nicole Newman talked with a respiratory therapist who just arrived in New York City to serve on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic. Hi, Nicole.
Hi, Nick. That's right. William Pressgrove arrived at his new home, which will be his home for the next couple of months in Manhattan just a few hours ago. After taking off from here in Salt Lake City, he says he's ready to get to work on Monday.
I've been wanting to serve my country, my communities for many, many years.
A veteran as well as a respiratory therapist. William Pressgrove of Salt Lake City says when he saw what was happening in New York City, he had to find a way to help. The Big Apple is the epicenter for the COVID-19 pandemic.
This was a good opportunity for me to continue paying it forward and pushing to help my country and see if we can knock this thing down before it gets completely out of hand.
As a traveling nurse, Pressgrove deploys to fill the medical need in places experiencing staffing shortages. For the next 2 months, he'll use his skills to help patients at NYU Tisch Hospital.
It takes a respiratory therapist to run a ventilator and to manage a ventilator to hopefully get that patient off the ventilator alive.
He speaks on what he may be up against.
In the ICUs, usually it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Right now, it's a 3-to-1 ratio, so the nurses are overloaded. And in my experience, in a busy ICU, a 1-to-1 ratio for a nurse is a 4 to 5 to 1, maybe 6 to 1 ratio for a respiratory therapist. So I'm hoping that I don't have 20 patients when I go into work, but it's possible.
In his absence, William will be away from his wife Melissa and their 5 children.
My youngest is a year old, and I definitely, it's definitely a concern. And I have health issues myself, and but I know that given the situation, they're taking a lot of extreme measures to make sure that things stay at the hospital.
William says he is shipping his motorcycle to New York, so he'll take a 2-week road trip just to decompress and to make sure he's healthy before returning back to his family. Live in Salt Lake City, Nicole Newman, ABC 4 News.